In this video, I'm going to show you how to set hotkeys on ThinkorSwim. Hotkeys can speed up your trading workflow in ThinkorSwim, allowing you to execute trades, which tools and navigate the platform efficiently. So to set it up, so make sure you open the hotkey settings and then launch your ThinkorSwim and log in, and then click on the setup or the profile and then choose the settings or setup icon. So as you can see, it's not available on the website, so you'll need to download the application or software of ThinkorSwim on your PC or laptop. And then so assumingly we've downloaded and we have clicked the setup icon or the setting icon, so click the hotkeys from the drop down menu, and then in the hotkeys window check the inbox or the box that says enable active traders hotkeys if you plan to use them for a fast order execution. So if you want the general navigation hotkeys, continue customizing in the next step. So now to customize your hotkeys, so assumingly, so listen carefully as I explain each step in here in terms of customizing your hotkeys. So find the section where you want to assign hotkeys. For example, order entry, charting, active traders, and so on. And then click on the function you want to assign on hotkey. So to, for example, like a buy market, sell market, or cancel orders. So after that, press the key combination you want to use. So just simply press the CTRL plus B for buy market and then click the apply to save the changes. And now to test your hotkeys, so just open your chart or active trader windows and then press your assign hotkeys to confirm they work as expected. And then if something isn't responding, check the hotkeys are enabled and properly assigned. And that's it. That's how to set hotkeys on ThinkorSwim. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.